Hello friends, this is Ashish Jha and this is an online tutorial about the PHP function move uploaded file. If you have a basic knowledge of HTML and PHP, then you must have heard about this function. This is an important function which is used to relocate your file, document, or to put that file or document in another location or another folder. So let's see how it works and how can we code this. I have a text editor, Sublime. You can use any. We can start by first making two input fields. So first create a HTML form, give a method. I'm giving it post, then encrypt type. Encrypt type is a multi-part form data. Fine. As I told you, we need only one field, that is upload input type file. So we'll create only that. We will not make it mess up. So input type will be a file. I am giving the name is also file. And another input field will be called a submit button. Type will be submit. And here in respect of name we will give value, because for submit we have to give value. I am giving the value name is upload. So here we have do one thing more to make it understandable. So let's see how it looks on the front end. I'm using localhost. How it looks, I should use BR tag also to make this in different domain. So now it looks like this. Just a minute. I have given this to here. So now start with the PHP code. This was the HTML part. You can write PHP code in the space as well. So start with a PHP tag. First we will check by if condition whether the file value has been set up. So if it's set $_ files, we all know that files is a global variable. If you read the tutorial PHP, you can get to know it is a global variable. So now we will create here some variables like here we will need a temporary name, a folder where we want to locate or put our file or document, and a name. So let's start with name. We all know that here variable are defined by $sign file underscore name. It will be file because we have given file name is file. You can see it here in the HTML section. So here it is necessary to mention. Second is the temporary. Second is the name. We want to give it this name. Second variable we are creating for temporary name. I will give the name file underscore temp. Again we will do the same thing. And here you need to concern something that you have to give your temp underscore name as a temporary name, otherwise it will not work. Now here we have to mention the folder where we want to put our documents or file or images, whatever you like to do. So first we have to create a folder, and I'm going to create it in my jam. Jam bestie docs core PHP, and I have underscore PHP. I'm defining files. I'm creating a new folder that is uploads. This is empty this time, so I have to create a variable for that also. So upload underscore folder should be a good name. And we will give the name of folder under parenthesis and ended with a slash, as we are mentioning here folder name. The folder name uploads. Now finally we will use here the function, PHP function what we were talking about, that is move uploaded file. Again create a variable for that and giving it name move file. Move uploaded file. Here we have to pass 3 parameters. First, the temporary name which we have created here. This is the temporary name. Then the folder which we have created and mentioned here. Second one is folder, and the third parameter will be the name of the file. So this is and this by like semicolon, like colon, sorry, semicolon. Now to run it, let's do it by if condition, if dollar move file. We are not doing it in complex way. So we are done with it. Now it's the time to check whether it is working or we have some error. By putting any image, I am putting here an image where it is. I'm going to put this image here. You can see that image name already been shown. Now upload this. Your file moved successfully. Here you can see that. Now you will check it in the folder we have made that it actually happened or not. Here's the folder, and here we can see the image has already been set. So now we can do it again for another image like this. You can see here. Now I'll do this more and more times. So now we have uploaded 3 images. Let's see how many images it have, and it's 3. So you can see how it works, how you can code it. Actually I have written HTML part and the PHP part both in the same page, but for a better way you can do it separately. Actually I did it just to not make things mess up, to understand. So this is all for today. Please subscribe my channel if you like that. This was the first tutorial video from my side, and I'm recently going to make videos for other important PHP, SQL, Java, and Android topics. So thank you. I'm Ashish Shah. Please do subscribe this channel. Thank you.